Greetings, Heritage community. I'm Jared Squires. I'm the head of school here at Heritage. And each and every day I have the opportunity with our team here of administrators and faculty and staff to pursue a fantastic mission. Each and every day we are striving to provide a very distinctive classical and Christ-centered education that prepares students for servant leadership and lives that glorify God. That's a great mission. It's fantastic. But as you know, it takes resources to do this. And so today I'm here to tell you about a very exciting service-based, that fits exactly with our mission, a service-based fundraiser called Feed the Need. Before I get into the what of Feed the Need, let me quickly tell you a little bit about the why, and I think everyone is aware of this. Currently at Heritage School, with the number of students we have, our tuition and our fees in total don't cover all of our expenses. Therefore, we have an operating gap or sustaining need that we have to fill each year. We do this through our iSpawn event that we have each Christmas, which is fantastic. We do this through our annual fund. In some years when we have a gala, that contributes towards this need that we have, but in this particular year we're not having a gala, and so we have a need to fill. And so we're going to do this with Feed the Need. So let's get in quickly to what is Feed the Need. It's an on-campus mission experience, and it is an experience. We'll have the opportunity with students to pack 10,000 meals. 10,000 meals. We're going to partner with an organization that's actually called Feed the Need. It's also part of the Champions Group, and they're going to help us facilitate this and make sure all of these meals get sent. They're going to be sent both locally and globally. And so the money that we raise through this opportunity is going to give us the opportunity to fund discipleship both locally and globally. So we're very excited about this. So if you may ask, okay, sounds great, so how do I get involved? Well, the first thing you could do is you could pray with us. Pray that a clear vision will be cast about this project. Pray that community building will occur, as well as character development within our students and as we go through this.
I'm so excited to be a part of Heritage and be a part of the Feed the Need program, where I'm very excited because we send 10,000 meals to Haiti, to tens to thousands of kids that don't get to learn about God and don't get all the food and care they need.
I love Heritage because we help people need Jesus' love and need food, so that we can just help them physically and spiritually.
I'm excited to help Heritage School feed hungry kids around the world.
So we are excited that our children, our family together, get to participate in a ministry called Feed the Need, where we are literally feeding needy folks, and we're feeding them with the gospel. So we're getting to share the love of Christ here in the community and all around the world, and our kids are a part of it and learning to serve in that way. So we're excited about this opportunity.
Help Heritage feed the need! Help Heritage feed the need! Help us feed the need!
Feed the need physically and spiritually.
Feed the Need is a great opportunity for helping us fill or close our financial gap while also doing some good. Thank you all.